Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Basecamp, a popular project management tool. I've been using Basecamp for a few years now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool for keeping track of my projects and staying organized. Question. But before I get into the details of Basecamp, I want to answer the question that you're probably here for. Is there an app for Basecamp? Answer. The answer is yes. There is an app for Basecamp, and it's available for both iOS and Android devices. Benefits of the Basecamp app. The Basecamp app is a great way to stay on top of your projects on the go. You can check your to-do lists, see what's happening in your projects, and even add new tasks. Features. Here are some of the features of the Basecamp app. To-do lists. You can create to-do lists and assign them to yourself or other team members. Tasks. You can create tasks and assign them to yourself or other team members. Discussions. You can create discussions to keep your team members updated on the latest project news. Files. You can share files with your team members. Calendar. You can see an overview of your upcoming tasks and events. How to use the Basecamp app. Using the Basecamp app is easy. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to sign in with your Basecamp account. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of your projects. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about the Basecamp app, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me. Additional tips. In addition to the features I mentioned in the video, the Basecamp app also allows you to set notifications for upcoming tasks and events. You can also use the Basecamp app to create custom reports. The Basecamp app is available for free, but there is also a paid version that offers additional features. If you're looking for a project management tool that can help you stay organized and on top of your projects, I highly recommend giving Basecamp a try. You can download the app for free from the App Store or Google Play. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me. I hope this helps.